Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Discord account without remembering your password. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So what you need to do is you need to open up Discord and then head over to the bottom left-hand corner and click on your user settings. Then go to edit, and here you'll be given the option to delete your account. Now, if you click on that, it's going to ask you for your password, and obviously we don't remember our password. So now what we could do is go and change the password, but again, to change the password, we need to remember the old one. So here's how you can delete it without remembering any password. What you actually need to do is go to settings and then just scroll down on the left-hand side and log out of your account. We're going to log out together here, and then we can click on forgot your password. It's then going to send you an email with a password reset. So here's the email from Discord. It's going to say, hey, and then your username. Your Discord password can be reset by clicking the button below. Just click reset password, and then we can enter in our new password. Now it's going to log you into the desktop version of Discord, and here you can do the same thing. You can go to user settings, go to edit and delete your account, and then you can enter in the new password that we've just set, and then you can click delete account. And that's it, guys. That is how you can delete your Discord account without remembering your password. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I will catch you guys in the next one.